Hi guys, welcome back to another week of Wash Day. I hope you're excited to get it on because I am. How have you been doing? I've been chilling. Updates, we still haven't found Tobias yet. We're losing our mind, but we leave everything to God because Theo, tell them about how we went to see the snow today. Say hi. Hi Theo. Don't be upset. My little pumpkin. We went to the snow today and he was finding every spot of grass to touch and not the snow. He did great. Right? Right, baby? Alright. Anyways, back to the video. Today I want to switch it up a little bit, and instead of using a pre-poo, I want to do a hot oil treatment. I used to do this. Back in the day I used to do it. So this time I was thinking it's been a while since I did that, and I want to kind of treat my scalp to an oil treatment before wash day. So I'm going in with the amla oil, the Tana oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, sweet almond oil. Let's do this. How I'm being a chemist. Dropping everything. Now I'm gonna put this in hot water and come back. Done basically. It's in here. I know what I'm expecting. Don't remember how my hair felt during the application of the oil back in the day. See how dry my hair is. So even though it's like a hot oil treatment, I'm still gonna spritz my hair with water. Oh. I want to mainly finger detangle just because I took the hair out of twist today. It's like 5:30. Today is day 10 since my last wash. Okay. I don't think it really touched my scalp. Let's put that in there. Definitely get a shirt you don't care about. The thing about hot oil treatments, it's not gonna give you slip or anything. Like maybe it would, but it definitely help reduce the friction. The point is to get my scalp and my ends covered in oil and let it sit for about an hour. I'm telling you, keeping your hair in a stretched state, it blow dry your hair, or if you do twists or braids, like please do, because our hair, okay, I'm gonna do this. Our hair, like coily, kinky textures, our hair loves to be stretched. I think stretching it reduces the amount of tangles. It does reduce the amount of single strand knots, them rubbing together, because they're individually stretched and they are not trying to struggle to go back into their curly state. It is softening. I don't know which oil is very softening in here, but my hair feels soft. I thought it was gonna feel like when your hair is dry and put oil on it, your hair gets even drier. I thought it was gonna feel like that. It actually feels soft. I think the water also helps. Just spritz a little water. Don't drench your hair with water. With the feeling of how the hair should feel with me. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but I hope it does. Okay. These are covered in oil. You can definitely tell the difference. Touch it. This is softer than this, for sure. I'm gonna work on the other side in my living room and come back. Hi guys, it's the next day. Please forgive me. This is the reality of doing my hair. Like sometimes I will stick through it, but sometimes I do not. Yesterday was one of those times. Don't be like me. I'm not sure what to do with the hair. This week I'm like in between either doing a wash and go, but then it's winter. Okay, since I'm a confused human today, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my hair into braids, like medium-sized braids. Okay, I want to use this. So I want to use this for the braids. Good. I decided to go with the twist. I'm doing twist now. Ignore me. Without the mousse just feels sticky and I need to detangle my hair. So I'm gonna go with the Rev Air leave-in conditioner, and then the ends is gonna have the Moroccan argan oil. And I might use some TGIN here and there for extra moisture. I did this side, it's already done. I'm gonna do this side. Today is one of those days I really don't feel like doing my hair, but you know, it's a commitment thing. I've already told myself that, hey, this is what we're gonna do every week. You have to make time for it. That's what I'm trying to do. Taking a break from all that adventure. About to eat some bread and some Nutella. It's whole wheat bagel. Theo is sleeping, but I'm gonna finish eating and then come back and finish the hair. Okay guys, this is the last one. Okay, this twist came out weird looking, but this is gonna be like the main style. Tea tree oil, I've had it for so long. I don't know why I tend to always put it in the middle of my head. Probably because the line is like right there, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm noticing that there's a lot of you, like I think 80%. I'm gonna put like the picture here. A huge percentage of people who watch my channel and are not subscribed. Like,
why are you just peeping? Why are you just peeping?
come on now. You're welcome to stay. Have a good night. I'm going to eat. See you in the next video. Bye.